Hello everybody, this is Maurice, and this is Rubik's Cube. Now, I could solve this and I want to just share it with the world. Now, as my personal disclaimer, this has absolutely nothing to do with my website involved with short sales, erealtypro.com. The two of these are in no way, shape, or form connected. The only thing I ask is that you watch this whole entire video. Hopefully I can do it in less than 2 hours this time.
The whole video?
Yeah.
2 hours?
Gotta be with
Took you 3.5 hours last time.
Hey, well, we'll see.
Okay.
Alright, now actually what we're going to do is we got a little stopwatch here on the cell phone, so we're going to time it. That way you can dispel any myths or whatever, okay? So I think, what do you think, Lou? I think this is pretty well mixed up.
Yeah, I played with it. I guarantee it's mixed up.
Alright, here we go. We're going to start at 0. Got that? Marks, get set, go. Okay, we're making some progress here. I think I won't paste for less than 2 hours.
Geez, I hope so.
Okay, looking.
Wow, I'm starting to see some of the same colors.
Alright, we are getting somewhere now. Alright. We're on the last stage here. Ooh, almost lost it there. Bam. Well, 251. I'm not proud of that, but I can do it. So there you have it.
Is it done?
It's done.
Oh, let me see. I never saw it done. Wow. I'm impressed, Maurice.
What can I say? Well, once again, this is Maurice. Thanks for visiting my page. Hope to see you soon.